Hey bitches. So we're in the bathroom today, eating noodles. No. I'm actually eating noodles. Like, here are my noodles. But I'm also gonna do like gay pride makeup because if I don't do it soon, then Pride Month is gonna be over and like, you know, so I need to get this shit over with. So I finally, you know, got motivation to actually do it. So that's fun. But I haven't shaved because my shaver is dead and it's in the car and Dad has the car, so I couldn't even charge it. So sorry if I look kind of scruffy, but it's fine. Oh my god, bitch. I'm not even fucking kidding. Before I start this shit, go out to your fucking store, buy this fucking noodle, hot and spicy with shrimp, bitch, like, and chili powder, because this shit is fucking, oh my god, it's so good. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, oh my god, it's so good. Okay, so let's get started with this bullshit. I'm not gonna wash my face or do anything because this is a ghetto ass channel, and I just don't really feel like, you know, being a booty guru. So I'm just gonna like wipe all like the oils off my face with some toilet paper. And if you don't like my style, I don't give a shit, cause you don't matter. So yeah. Alright. Sorry. That was kind of gross. So the shit I'm going to be using in this video is the NYX Ultimate Palette. Eyeshadow palette. It's really cute. It's really cute. I got it on Amazon. I'm not going to link anything because that takes effort. So, just like screenshot it and find it on your own time. I'm not going to put foundation on because I don't have any makeup wipes to get off the shit I'm going to actually put on my face anyway. And taking off foundation with no makeup wipes just doesn't sound fun. So, deal with it. So what else are we going to use in this video? I need to get my little fucking, oh my god, I'm dropping things. I'm going to use this e.l.f. eyeshadow, thingy brush. I've literally used this to put makeup on garlic bread. So I don't know if I washed it after that, so hopefully I did. We might be using this highlighter stick. I've never used this. I actually bought this when my makeup phase was kind of dead. So it might be shitty, it might not be shitty. It was from the 99-cent store, so yeah, my LA Colors highlighting palette. We know this is good. LA Colors, sponsor me. That would be really cool. Do a collaboration with LA Colors, bitch. Wouldn't that be iconic? Has anybody ever done that? I don't fucking know. Oh my fucking god. Honestly, it's been so fucking long since I've done makeup, I really don't even remember what to do. So basically, okay, I did this like a few months ago. I'm trying to remember what I did. I have to look up the gay flag because I don't remember what it looks like. So, I mean, I do, but I don't know how, like, the color pattern, you know, like where it goes. So we'll just look it up. Gay flag. Is it the gay flag or is it the pride flag, you know? What's that? Hold on. Can I just have a good picture? Okay. So this palette is pretty good because it has basically all the colors you need. So if you want to like do some gay shit on your face, I suggest getting this palette. It was pretty cheap. Can you shut the fuck up? It was pretty cheap, and it's good quality. It has really good pigments. Okay, so we're gonna go and do I really have to tell you? You know, do I really have to tell you what we're gonna use? Because, you know, okay. That's the gay flag. Follow along. So, oh, I got a new case. You wanna see my new case? It's this big ass, thick ass case. I got it from the swap meet. So it's really cute. I like it. It was like $7, so that's cute. Okay, so let's go in with this orange. Oh my god. Honestly, I hate makeup. It feels so disgusting on my face. I need a mirror. I need a fucking mirror. Fuck. Hold on, I need a mirror. Okay. I don't remember how to do this. So basically, I'm gonna like do the line like that. You know what I mean? Like that. So after we do that, we're basically going to do like the line, like the flag on my eye. You know what I mean? Wait, I don't have that color. Shit. I don't know what that color is. It's some ugly ass, like, peach color. I don't know. Fucking ugly, but I don't know what it is. Sorry if I offended your sexuality. Because don't like the colors stand for like the sexuality of like the LGBTQ plus community. Like, I know like purple is like bi. Like, what's red and what's like, I don't know any of the colors. Like, what am I? What is gay? You know what I mean? It's probably like the ugliest color. It's probably like that ugly ass fucking peach color that I'm just talking shit about. Could you imagine? Okay, so basically I didn't go to Pride because I couldn't. My dad had to work, so I was really low-key big sad about that because I really wanted to go and just be a big ass fag. But it's fine, I guess. Wow, RuPaul Drag Race is not quaking. So, yeah. Hopefully I'm gonna go next year. I don't know. I just want to go and just be like a big ass fucking queen, you know? So, yeah. But we are going to the beach this weekend. We're basically going to the beach. We're going to LA. We're going to be in that vicinity. So if you want to, like, come meet me. No, I'm just kidding. If you know. And that's way too offensive. This weekend is Father's Day. Right? And me and my dad have this tradition to go to Beverly Hills and be bougie. No. Go to Beverly Hills and go to the annual Beverly Hills Father's Day car show. You know what I mean? That's dandruff. You know what I mean? So basically, I feel like if I eat these noodles, I'm gonna be burping. Burping up this pussy. Burping up that cup. No, and yeah. So, I'm gonna be vlogging. You know, going to the fucking, you know, shit we're gonna go to. And hopefully it will be a good time. I mean, it's never been a bad time. Knock on wood. I'm gonna use pink. And pink's not in this, but it looks better than the color I had on there right now. So yeah. I'm gonna darken up this red a little, because the red I used was kind of shitty. Oh my god, wait, that's kind of cute. What the fuck? So, I looked up gay pride makeup, and I did not see one like this. I seen a lot of flags and stuff, a lot of like rainbow shit, but I never seen one that was going like this. So don't steal my idea, bitch. Copyrighted. So yes. I don't know how to actually copyright something. Can somebody like teach me how to do that? Because I want to copyright everything. I just want to be a little copyright cunt. Did I put purple? I don't think I put purple. Fuck. It's been so long since I've done this, and I like don't remember what to do. Oh wait, this is like cute. Oh my god, why am I like literally? I'm not trying at all, and this is like coming out like low-key kind of good. Okay. Next, or also, we need mascara. Do I have mascara? I don't have mascara. So I have to go get mascara because it's in the other room. Because I didn't put it back in my little box when I was done. Be right back. So, yeah. Have a good time. Because I'm not going to stop the video. Because I don't want to put two clips together. Because that's too much work. And I'm like trying to like get out of the bathroom, like my office chair is like getting stuck on the door. I lost the mascara. I don't know where it is. It was on my desk and I can't find it, and I'm having a really big hard time, but I guess we're gonna have to get over it. We're gonna imagine me with mascara on, you know what I mean? Just to like, cause it was gonna look so good with the mascara, but I guess not. It's like fail, ugh. And if you think it's gross that I'm eating in the bathroom, I don't care. I'm hungry, and I need to film this video before I lose motivation, so multitask. Okay, so we're gonna start with the red. We're gonna cut our crease. We're gonna cut that shit hard. Wait, I need the mirror. Oh god. Oh god. Whatever happened with like the James Charles and like all that bullshit, like Tati and like drama bullshit that was going on? Because like I need an update. I'm sorry, but I do. Like I just want to know. Like I need more tea. I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I don't know how to think about this hair. Like, it looks good. Like, I don't, like, it's a lot to get used to, you know what I mean? Because I had long hair so long, and, like, for such a long time, and it, like, covered up all my insecurities. No, actually it didn't. It gave me more insecurities than it covered up, so maybe it's a good thing it's gone. I don't know. That video did good though. Like, oh my god, it has like 57 views and shit. Like, damn, honey. My shit only gets like 16. No, not 16. My videos like barely hit like 10 views. And I'm not like complaining. Like, I am complaining a little because it kind of sucks. And I kind of want to be famous, but it's fine. It's not all about the numbers, but like, I don't know what the fuck was I saying. Oh, I wish my videos got more views, you know what I mean? But I'm not, like, complaining because I always used to say that it's not all about the numbers and shit. And maybe I should just shut the fuck up before I, like, say something. So, I guess I just have to, like, try harder and, like, upload more, you know? Upload more bullshit for y'all to watch. And get me on the spectrum. I don't know. Oh, that looks like shit. Oh, wow, it looks like really bad. Oh no, honey. Oh no, sweetheart. That looks really fucking bad. I think the haircutting video did so well though was because that day when I was like gonna cut my hair, like when I did cut my hair, I looked up like shaving my head videos and like tons of them came up and they were pretty recent. So I think like the title, you know, shaving my head was like pretty popular in the search results, and it was like coming up in like people's recommendations, you know what I mean? So I think that's why it did so good. So thank you all for watching. This looks like shit. So at least I did it though, because if I didn't do it then I really feel really bad and I feel like a bad gay. And we don't want that. So yeah, you need to stop acting so fucking weird. Fuck. We're gonna put some highlighter on because, I don't know, highlighter just fixes everything. I don't even remember how to do this shit. Oh my god, it looks so fucking bad. It looks so fucking bad. Sweetheart. Why is that shit blue though? Isn't like highlighter supposed to be like transparent? I don't fucking know. It's not. Highlighter's not supposed to look like that. Oh my god. I really need to shave. This video would have probably been better if I shaved, but sorry. Pop my pussy. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying because that shit's annoying and I fucking edit all that shit out. So I'm gonna finish my noodles. So shut the fuck up. Damn, that's fucking good. I need to like calm down a little because I feel like I'm trying too hard to be funny and it's coming out kind of shitty. So let's calm down. Let's calm down a bit. Let's calm down. Let's smoke some weed, bro. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna go with this palette. See what this shit is. That did not do anything. This palette sucks cock. Bye. And not in the good way. My mom's looking at me. So, I think it's done. I think it's time to go. I hope you liked this look. Sorry, it kind of looks shitty, but it's still copyrighted, so don't steal it. And if you're gonna redo it, give me credit, because I will find you, bitch. So, okay. I feel so bad because now I bought all these hair clips. There's only 2 here, but I bought like many more. And I don't like use them. I like have no use for them anymore. And I feel like I wasted money. And like hair clips aren't like a thing that you could like resell because you know. I mean, I'm not saying I have, like, lice or anything. Like, you know, I'm pretty clean most of the time. But, like, if anybody wants to buy my hair clips, they're like $1 each. So, offer up in the link in the bio. No, I'm kidding. I mean, maybe not. I mean, if somebody want, you know how, like, people, like, buy used underwear and shit? If you, like, want to buy my used, like, hair clips, and, like, if you have, like, a hair fetish, I'm not, like, judging. If you have a hair fetish, that's fine. If you want to jerk off in, like, a weave, that's okay with me. Like, I don't care. Like, don't bother me, you know? I don't lose sleep at night. So, yeah. Hope you liked this video. I swear to God, I can't film a video without it being almost 20 minutes long, or 20 minutes long, or longer than 20 minutes. So, hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna make a new intro because, you know, there's just, like, some people I have to, like, cut out of my intro, you know, it's just, it's fine, you know, cutting fake bitches out of my life. Hi. Sorry, shut the fuck up, my fucking God. I need to just go, like, watch Emma Chamberlain and, like, zen the fuck out, because I cannot right now. So, oh, I have, like, used bobby pins, too, so if you want to buy those, you can. Like, I swear to God, I will sell you used hair clips and used bobby pins if you have a hair fetish, or if you're into that. I'm not kidding. Like, business email and the link in my business fucking bullshit in the about section. Okay, I'm gonna leave because I literally am acting like I'm on drugs and I'm not. I just yeah, I'm literally laughing. So, I hope you enjoyed. Let's just make this shit long. So, like, I'll do, like, a little montage, and I'll edit it. So beautiful, so coochie. Vogue is quaking. Okay, I can't do this for, like, more than, like, 10 seconds, so, bye. Oh, shit.